Market live trading session, and today we would be analyzing various currency pairs. Okay, before we get started, let me know where you're watching from. Let me know where you are joining from. Where are you watching from? Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, Paris, Pakistan, Iran, Egypt. Where are you watching from? All right, let me know where you're watching from, guys. Before we go straight into the business of the day, where are you watching me from? Okay, use the comment section. Before we go. Okay, I can see Zanile from South Africa, Faith from Ibadan, Augustine from Nigeria, Gabriel from Nigeria, Joel from Abuja. You can see Spencer from Nigeria. You can see Atta from Ghana. I can see Alam from Pakistan. Okay, awesome. Good to have you all on today's session. All right, if you have a friend who you know would need to benefit from this, you can always share with them. Let them join us now as we kick off from here. Okay, all right, so today we'll be looking into USD CHF. Okay, USD CHF. Awesome. So we're getting started with analyzing the USD CHF market. All right, that's the US dollar and the Swiss franc. Okay, so interestingly, you want to understand the market structure, okay, and how demand and supply have been interplaying on the higher time frame, via which you would use to analyze your chart to the lower time frame. All right, so let's do this. You can see the weekly time frame. So from here, good. Why do we need to look at the weekly time frame spread across several years? In order for us to understand the market structure and the significance of price levels, it is important for us to have a broader scope of what the market has been doing for years up to the moment. So as we can see from here now, we can see what price has been doing from 2015 to 2016 to 2017 to 2018 to 2019 to 2020 to 2021 to 2022, where we are currently. Interestingly, we have key levels that we need to observe. In order for us to map out these key levels clearly I do recommend that we change the chart to a line chart in order for us to see the edges of price. When we change it to a line chart, we have this. All right. We come here. To place to map out that level of resistance. Another level of resistance is found here. All right. Another level of support turned resistance is found here. Okay. Another level is found here. All right. So, and this has given us a scope to see price fluctuation and levels at which price currently settled before moving. So when we come here, we can see price fluctuation here. Now observe what price did here. Observe what price did here. You can see price moving up in a wave-like function at this region here. Okay, and finally there was a breakout of here. This pattern here is ascending triangle. So I'm pointing that out should we see such a pattern next time. Okay, it's an ascending triangle. Okay, good. Ascending triangle. This is it. Ascending triangle. See price rising. Okay, while touching a single level above. All right, good. So you can see it here. It rose and then there was a breakout and price pushed up. Price rallied back to that level of resistance turned support, and we can see that the support was strong and it pushed price up above back to the next resistance level, which we have marked out here. So because if you look closely, you can see how price was rejected here. You can see how price came up here and was rejected. Price came here too and was rejected. Price came here and was rejected. Okay, price came here and was rejected. Now price came here, was rejected. Price came to that same level again. All right, so what do you expect from price? Rejection. That is what you are seeing that price is currently experiencing. Price is currently experiencing rejection at that level. So you discover that this level has been a level of key resistance zone. All right, has been a level of key resistance zone, a zone where sellers are locked in. Okay, there are so many sell orders here pushing back price downward, and that is why we are seeing that price has been finding it difficult to break out finally from this region. Okay, and here we see what price is currently what's currently happening to price. All right, now let's go to the daily time frame. When we move into the daily time frame and we look closer into the daily time frame, we see what's up here. All right, we see what price is doing here. Okay, we see what price is doing here. Yeah, good. We see what price is doing here. Okay, if we spread it out, let's see Let's see what price is doing. Good. At this level, you will discover that this level is a key resistance level. Same level we mapped out and we spotted on the weekly time frame. Okay, as the levels where supply is active. Okay, now you can see what is currently happening, that price went into that resistance zone. As you can see, price went into that resistance zone, okay, and it was resisted, it was pushed back, and we can see the pushback currently creating and forming a pin bar at that resistance level. If today's candle closes as a pin bar, this is a significant signal. A pin bar at a resistance level is telling us that there is a high probability of a sell pressure coming in. Don't forget, there is what? High probability of a sell pressure coming in. Now, if you look closely, you would now discover that there is a doji. Okay? Do you see a doji? There is a doji candle. Look at this doji candle. Now, doji candles are candles that show equilibrium. Equilibrium in the sense that when demand equals supply, doji is formed. Okay? When the sell pressure mounted by the sellers is equal to the buy pressure mounted by the buyers, all right, when those pressure come together, they form the doji candle, which represents equilibrium, which means the demand side is equal to the supply side. Okay, so this is it. That's why we have this doji candle being formed. All right, good. So what are we looking at here? Let's go to the lower time frame to look out for short-term opportunities. The long-term opportunity that we are seeing here is to wait and see if today closes below as a pin bar, right? If today closes as a pin bar, then you want to short, all right? However, there are still more sell signals we need to look out for, all right? Should we be looking out for short-term profits? Okay, now let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Good. Now if you look at what is happening currently on the 4 hours time frame, yeah, you will discover that the 4 hours time frame, you would see the current last two candles on the 4 hours time frame is what? A bodied bearish and bullish candle. Okay, if you look at this now, this is a bullish candle, but if you look at this candle now, this was a bearish candle. It is showing sell pressure are being mounted by suppliers, compressing down the price. All right, here now this last candle has closed, a new candle is forming, is being formed, right? So what do we anticipate in this candle? All right, here is an area I will tell you to watch. All right, here's an area I will tell you to watch. This area. All right, here is an area I will tell you to watch. Okay, this is an area I will tell you to watch. Okay, when price breaks out of this region, all right, then it it's a good time to sell. When price breaks out of that candlestick, it's a good time to sell. When price breaks out of this candlestick, it's a good time to sell. Good. So when price breaks downward outside the box, it is a good time to sell. And definitely you can sell and take your profit here. You can either take your profits at this level, okay, or you take your profit at this level. All right, so depends. Or you take your profit can go as far as this level. However, these are your chances here and here for those who are short-term traders, intraday traders. Okay, intraday traders, shorting the market from here to this level or to this level is a good target point. All right, however, you can target this level, but then you must know how to hedge your profit so that market does not reverse and take you out in losses. All right, good. So this is our outlook for USD CHF in the short term. Same goes with the long term, because in the higher time frame we can see that the price level is at a key resistance level, right? At a key resistance level that the sell pressure is present. Okay, so even at the higher time frame we are seeing a sell signal, a sell pressure coming in. Okay, now because of that sell pressure we are seeing coming in, one, we saw a pin bar at the resistance level, and also we saw a doji at the resistance level. That is the level where price got to after rising. So if you look at it now in the daily time frame now, if you look at it closely, you will discover that price was moving from here, moved up here, came down, moved up here. All right, and this doji and this pin bar that is currently forming have appeared. The doji has been fully formed. The pin bar is currently almost done. Once today is over, the pin bar will be formed. All right, once this candlestick is formed, what would happen next is price falling as far back here, okay, and rallying a bit, either going back up or falling farther to this level. Why it would rally at this point is because this level is now a support level given what has happened here. So this has been a resistance level, finally there was a breakout here, so now it has now become a resistance turned support level. So so this is it. So price can come down from here, okay, and come to this level. So price might not break down immediately, but price might just rally here and do two things. Price can either go up or price further drops. When price further drops, price can rally here and pick up back. Okay, but once this pin bar is confirmed, price will drop up to this level. Very there's a high probability. This is a high probability trading strategy. Price would most likely drop here. There's a high probability that price will drop, to the 0.9850 region. Okay. Good. So price can either drop here. All right. I want to believe you are following. If you are following, let me know in the comment section. If you are learning, if you are getting value, let me know in the comment section. Oh, I can see Bella. Bella said you teach with will and you teach so well and clear. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you to Octa FX that is bringing that opportunity to you as well. And that is why we are here. So these are the things you look out for. Now, what I'm teaching you right now is applicable to any asset, any currency. All right. This analysis that we are applying here is applicable elsewhere also. So if you are following me, let me know in the comment section. If you are getting value, let me know in the comment section. All right. I want to know that you are following me so I know that we can proceed from here. Okay. It's important that I know you are following me. It's important that I know you are getting value from the session. Someone said, please, could you elaborate more on the relationship between resistance and support levels? Okay. Now, the relationship between resistance and support levels, is more like you look at this level here now. This is resistance level. Resistance. All right. This is resistance level. Why is it resistance level? Because price has come here and created a footprint. First footprint, it could not break through. It came down, went up again, created the second footprint. It could not break through, went down. This level, because it could not break through this level, has become a resistance. Between this level is resistance to the buy pressure coming in. So this level is a resistance level. Now this level here is a support level. This level here, there's a minor resistance level inside. Let me also tag it. Here we call it minor. So minor resistance level can be major in lower time frame when we are taking it down. So you get, but just so that we get clarity. All right. Why? Because price had come here, created a footprint, went back, come here again, created a footprint. Okay. Now this level here is what we call support level. Okay. This level here is what we call what? The support level. Here is what we call support level. Why? Because price has come down here, could not break down further, came down again, could not break down further, was resisted. This level is what? A support level. So every level on the same level becomes support. That's why every level on the same level becomes resistance, because there has been an experience of price footprint at that level and it withstood the pressure. Another interesting thing to note again is that when you look at the current price level where the candle is right now, when you look at the left, there is so many room to the left. So many room to the left shows that price would not just come and cross that place at once. Okay? So many room to the left shows that what? Price would not just come and cross that place, okay, at once. So price cannot just come and cross this place at once because there is so many room to the left, which means that this is the first time out of how many days? Almost 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay, this is this is June, Price got here by June, and currently we are in October. Okay, that's like 4 months interval. All right, now which means for the past 4 months price has not come to this level. That's enough, because what you should even look when looking at rooms to the left is for you to count 12 candles. But when you count 12 candles here, you see that there are more than 12 candles here that did not even get to this level that price is currently at. So since price is currently getting here first time in 4 months, price would not just move up or break through it so easily. All right, there will be so many pressure here, so price will rally down a bit and come back to check it again. If it becomes weak or the buy pressure becomes stronger, then there can be a breakout from that same level. All right, great. So we are analyzing dollar, Swiss franc. All right, the US dollar, Swiss franc. Okay, so here now we have come to the conclusion that if you are trading if you are taking a swing trade after today ends, if this candle remains like this, the last candle here as a doji, as a pin bar, a bearish pin bar, then we are shorting the market. For a 4 hours time frame as well, we are shorting the market and we are taking profit here. So even if you look closely, you will see what price is currently doing. You will see that price is already giving that sell vibes. Can you see? Price is already showing that sell pressure. So immediately this thing breaks out of here now, that is when I would recommend that we sell. You can sell from here, but I would recommend that you wait for it to break out of this box and then we can start selling. Okay? And your stop loss can be here. All right? Good. And your take profit will be here. All right, that's for intraday traders. You want to take your profit within 24 hours. So that's it for the USD Swiss franc. All right, now let's look at GBP USD. So looking at the excuse me. Now, so looking at the looking at the chart of the pound USD. First, we can deduce that the market has been on a downtrend. Yes, someone is asking regarding the resistance and support level, can it be applied to hourly? Yes, it can be applied to all time frames. All time frames. All right, good. So as you can see, on the weekly time frame, we are on a downtrend. Okay, we are on a downtrend, and here you can come and say Good. This is a support level turned resistance. Okay, a support level turned resistance. This level. Let me label it. All right, support turned resistance. Then when we come here, this is another, yeah, good. This is another support turned resistance. Okay, another support turned resistance. Let me clone it. Good. This level is another support turned resistance, because when you look at it, price came down here, and finally broke out of this level. So now this support now has already experienced a breakout, which means if price is coming back to that level that was previously a support, it will now be acting as a resistance level instead of a support. All right, good. So now here you can see price came up, could not break through, came down, came up here again, could not break through, came down. Yeah, now you now see that this is what is a resistance level that's turned to a resistance level. Now let's zoom in to see what is currently even going on at this level and how we can position ourselves. Good. Some of you say you can't see clearly. That should be your network. It should be from your end, because personally I'm also viewing myself from the screen here, if you can see, and I can see it very clearly. All right, so please do check your own local network at your end. All right, so not to delay us and not to draw us back. So now here we've been able to map out this level, support turned resistance. All right. Okay. And now if you let's zoom out. Now you see what price did there. There was a breakout out of this level, and currently price is at this level. Yeah, so we want to know if there would be a possibility of an uptrend, upward bullish momentum, or a bearish momentum. So I'm on the weekly time frame. Currently I am on the weekly time frame. Okay, good. Now, so this support resistance level, yeah, this is it here. Now we are looking at what would price do next from here, because when we zoom in, we saw that okay, there had already been a breakout of this level. All right, good. So now there have already been a breakout of this level. So what do we expect that might most likely happen here? All right, that's a pushback to this resistance level. Okay, before a continuous what? Before a continuous fall in price. All right. So there most likely be a pushback up and then what? If a continuous fall in price. Okay. So when we look at it on the daily time frame now, good. So you can see what the daily time frame is giving us here. The daily time frame is giving us a clearer picture of what is happening per day in the week. So you can see what is happening here now. So what I'm seeing that is going to happen here is price coming down, going up, coming down, going up here, okay, and then coming down again. All right, that's what I see price doing, okay, at this level, okay, at this level, we'll see price going up before coming down. Okay, good. So there are two ways. Okay, you can either come here at this price level at 1.2 and set your sell order, sell limit order. Okay, can set the sell limit order at 1.19900. You can set your sell limit order here. So when price comes here, it sells, and when price keeps falling, you are in profit. And you can also buy at this level. You can buy at the current market price. Though currently the market has moved, you might want to wait for a pullback. Let's look at it in the 4 hours time frame. Okay, good. So when you look at it in the 4 hours time frame, more reason why we are looking at it on the smaller time frame is so as to get clarity as to what is currently happening within those smaller time frames. Okay, what is currently happening within those smaller time frames. So you can see what is currently happening within this smaller time frame. You can see what price is doing here. Okay, came here now, price is going to touch this level before it starts falling. Okay, you can see what price is doing here. Watch this, watch it. See what price is doing here. That is price going up to test the previous resistance level. Okay, that's it. Price is going to test the previous resistance level, all right, before coming down. So you can buy now at the current market price here. We are buying here. Okay, and our target price, our take profit is here. That's our take profit. Okay, and our stop loss would be the next support level, which will be here. That is if you are buying. All right, that's if you are buying, which is currently now. All right, you put your, what I do, I use resistance and support level to measure my stop loss, and also take into consideration my risk to reward ratio, which is 2:1. I'm risking, I'm risking one step for twice win. All right, so I'm risking 1 for 2. which means your reward would be double. All right, if you win the trade, and if you lose the trade, you would only lose half of what your reward would be, which is quite still feasible and okay. So this is it. If you are buying, it's your take profit level, and your stop loss should be here. All right, and when price gets here, then you are prepared to sell off. All right, because price will come down a bit. Okay, good. So okay, someone said thank you for the knowledge sharing, enjoying your analysis. Yeah, thank you. So I want to take a few questions before we round up. So if you have questions, use the comment section, drop your questions, and let's have a chat. All right, so use the comment section, drop your questions with regards to the analysis, and let's discuss. We are here to learn, share. All right, good. I await your questions. I believe you are following. I believe you are getting value. All right. Okay, cool. All right. So I don't like trying on 1 hour. No, we can always try on 1 hour time frame. All right. So if you look at it closely too on 1 hour time frame, it gives you the clearer picture. Okay, you can see what has happened in the 1 hour time frame now. You look at this. Look at what happened on the 1 hour time frame. Good. This is what I'm talking about. Now, this has given us a clear evidence that there has been a breakout out of this box on the 1 hour time frame. And what is this telling us? A buy. This is telling us what? A buy. Look at a breakout candle. A breakout candle already occurred. This is like a confirmed buy. A confirmed buy. All right? A confirmed buy. Okay? A confirmed buy. So if you buy this now, you are trading a high probability strategy. Okay? There are higher probabilities now that this price would go up. All right? Would go up and touch your take profits and then later come down. All right? Yes, so what about selling? You can only sell when price has gotten here. All right, because right now, looking at the 1 hour time frame now, we can see that price had broken out of this box. Okay, out of this ranging box. Okay, that's giving us a signal that what price is going what up. All right, up. Okay, someone said 15 minutes. That's scalping. Okay, if you want to scalp, well, it's a very risky strategy. So, but you must be very fast. If you are going to be scalping, your network must be very active. You don't want to scalp and then your network disappears and you are looking for network. Okay, good. So let's look at the 15-minute time frame now. So this is 15 minutes. And clearly price has broken out. You might want to buy here and sell at this level. Okay, or buy here and sell in the next 15 minutes. Okay, or scalp it up to this level. You want to scalp it up to this level here. Okay, yeah, you want to scalp it up to this level here, or you want to scalp it up to this level here. All right, so that is it. So but scalping is now left to you. Okay, it takes intense practice to actually be able to keep track of how to enter swiftly and exit swiftly out of the market. Okay, good. At this point, if you are an intraday trader now, okay, I've already told you, I've already put the take profit level. When you buy here, you sell here, you take profit at this level. Okay, that is it. Said when and how can you predict or expect a breakout to avoid losses? Now, so you can easily predict a breakout by mapping out regions. Look at these ones now. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, look at the 1 hour time frame now. Okay, we map out this region to predict the breakout, and obviously we can see that it clearly already shows us that a breakout had occurred. All right, so when you see price ranging in a particular level, you can just put that level in a box. It gives you a clearer picture of the direction of the market. Okay, so when price is ranging in a box, there are two-way things. It's either it breaks out upward from out of the box in the upward direction, or it breaks down in a downward direction. Okay, so you are only going to wait to see it break out of that box before you now move. All right. Yeah, someone says thanks so much. You're welcome. All right, said, is this what is called top down approach? Absolutely, this is a top down approach. We are looking at it from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, a top to bottom approach. Yes. So I believe I've answered your question. All right. Yeah, so if you are using your laptop to trade, beautiful. Okay, it gives you more screen space to cover, to get to see more charts and all. If you are using your phone as well, good. Okay, so either of the two, you need to just work with use what is best for you. All right, what is best for you is important. Okay. So if we buy now and price goes up to the resistance level, an intermediate term I would have been run through, doesn't that mean there is a change in market structure? So someone asked previously if fundamental analysis can't affect. Yes, fundamental analysis can affect, news can affect the direction of the market, and that is why your what's it called, your risk management should be intact, your stop loss should be intact. Okay, you are ready to, you don't want to be caught off guard. Okay, you don't want to lose guard. Exactly, so you don't want to be caught off guard, and you are prepared with your stop loss. So even if market goes against you, you are preserved. All right. Yes. All right, so I believe you guys have gotten value. One more thing, guys, go and subscribe, click on the notification bell. All right, click on the notification bell and be the first to get notified that this session is up. All right, this session holds every Thursday. You don't want to miss it. Thank you very much, guys. We'll be bringing today's session to a close, and we look forward to seeing you next week in the next session, where we would always give you nothing but value. All right, do well to share this session with your friends, invite your friends to this session, and then everyone gets to learn, everyone gets to make money together. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.